Wait till you get in here. It's prettier.
I don't even see you on the camera. Oh, it smells like doo-doo.
I don't think so.
It smelled like a little... It did at first.
It's
Look at all
pretty
those
once you get
plants.
further down.
Look at all these plants. There, see the river. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is where Madison went to do, like, find stuff.
Madison went to.
Yeah, like they took different people, and like they came here and like found stuff like.
On what here?
Like they found like stuff like that. That should be like stuff that is thrown in here, and that needs to be recycled.
Look at the shoreline. It's right there.
I know. Look over there, Mom. The river.
Dang, it is right here.
I know. It's the coolest thing ever. So this is where they went.
Indians used to come by here.
They did?
Yeah.
Cool.
Look how close we are to the water.
I know. It's so cool. We can even throw rocks in here.
Okay, don't throw another one.
This is so cool. Let's walk this way and see what's this shoreway. So this is where Indians used to live?
Yeah. We used to come by here and get a drink of water.
Look at that.
Let's move up a little bit. 'Cause it's getting...
Yeah, kind of muddy. Look at this, though. It's awesome. You gonna go see what Mom... Yeah. I'm gonna go see what Mom's doing. Here.
There's animal tracks. There's animal tracks.